Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Yenya yate Melodies TV hase. Yenya lawyers. Na say asemba na ye legal matter. The best we can do and say we will just share our thoughts on the matter. Na yebe make sure say enye contempt. Na etie for Kennedy Japan any ye ne enim judge nsensem no and there ya sanso African in Japan say wombra court. Na me de omoko court na nsem a ebisi no we are yet to hear. But lawyer bi ababonten nsem bi ababetudwa. Na wo hwe nsem a lawyer no eka was say the high court and the government they are in a dilemma. Ewo Kennedy Japan asem we so. Na brofo mu ye ka say dilemma che say situation bi a eye den a woje wo ho a enje che say wo do ho akɔhye bibi mu a sa situation a ye den ene ne broni friend dilemma inti lawyer no tre say the high court and the government Akufo-Addo's government both of them are in dilemma over Kennedy Japan's case. They intend lawyer no work kasa lawyer no friend ya Chumesi Ankra in some what they to Facebook no. And then I'm a person me read the etremo and you are having it right in front of you. Now, in some waka no me lawyer no still me boss bi e wa ha say. Na ye be kom na ya hwe de lawyer yi work because he is the legal practitioner. He is a private legal practitioner, you know. Wakasa dia ye be hu say yes. He's speaking with the law because he knows the law. Now, let's read what he said. Or see the events that are likely to happen tomorrow in Tiandra and no trust same way. Into a person say events and the ebesi wo court no in the Land Court 12 Division of the High Court, Accra, may pose a very difficult situation for the government. Should the court convict and impose a custodial sentence on Honorable Kennedy Japan, the government will be faced with two scenarios, being one, to either allow Kennedy Japan to serve his full term in prison, or B, to grant him a pardon. The what can I say? Kennedy Japan was same way abe. Are very serious. Now, se court no eche Kennedy Japan tum say yemfa no enko to mfiase a scenarios 2 e na aban wo be face say 1 wo be make Kennedy Japan wo be ma Kennedy Japan akọ mfiase no e bia ye ka se Kennedy Japan go dem for 1 week and 2 weeks and 1 month say aban be pene say Kennedy Japan go dem for say 1 month and say 2 aban e be granting the pardon aban be ka say oh we dey me dey ache no because yes, it is well within the confines of the executive, and it is well within the executive, the president himself, veto power. It is well within his rights to grant someone a pardon, presidential pardon. Until Wobetumi aka say, yes, we are granting Kennedy Japan. So this lawyer is speaking on if Kennedy Japan is jailed. What you say? If the court is in jail na, and I work in same way. I say, should the government take option A, it may send a signal that the government does not care for its own, especially considering the standing of Ken as a politician and influence he has on the foot soldiers, and considering the proximity to elections. Hey, lawyer we won, or wanyansa pa, nyankupon be shano. Asema what can I say? Eye two scenarios. Si yaka si yenche Kennedy Japan tumwa. Either say aban ebeka so okay. Yema emranye edwuma ne enche ne ntum ana se aban beka se oh me aban no me pese ye bechi na atum se aban eka se ye enche ne ntum a MPP fo ebubefu ebeka se Akufo-Addo pa wankasa wonni pa Kennedy Japan wa ma ya chi na atum embra election so eba ye ne anim se ye ba MPP full soldiers dipa ba kwa wo mo respecting ne pa eye Kennedy Japan it is aban pene se yenchi Kennedy Japan wintumu a MPP fo ebubefu e ma betumi akose MPP kra election MPP fo betumi aka se ya nkrofo na ya ye penya akoye bibi na aban wo otumi se obeyi na efim a wenyi na efim e na tre se MPP no ye ndi mochi kra biom ye vote mamo. It will affect them more so having regard to the fact that JM granted Muntie 3 persons whose influence as politicians arguably does not match that of Honorable Kennedy Japan. na there was also air can say should government opt for option B? Teacher say option 1 no. Or person say yes. John Dramani Mahama nso embre bi muntie 3 wo eye pardon iti MPP fo ne kra beka say na wo pa Mahama to de bia ye di na tane nyama no kra muntie 3 fo a wo nya politicians kra no wo kra wo pardon na wo Kennedy Japan. So that is the first scenario in some way ba. The second scenario to grant him pardon say they check Kennedy Japan. The young nsem ni mo say should government opt for B, then it puts the president and the MPP as a whole in the same bracket as the NDC and takes away the Muntie 3 trump card MPP has over NDC. It will affect the government negatively in its protection of the judiciary and the president in particular, considering his record and duty as lawyer to protect the integrity of the judiciary. Now, asamoya papa yi kan no ketrodo wasi sa court ne kase yenche Kennedy Japan tum na Akufo-Addo kase o Kennedy Japan ye minipa me ma ne pardon na ye ne anim embra Mahama emma Muntie 3 for pardon no up till now. In fact, the running mate of Mahama ye Yusukra against or no say Muntie 3 pardon no waka ho a wo mko sign ye say ye mo pardon na tre say mo ma mbra anya adwuma inti say MPP so ye the same thing na wo mo de ne kra beba be ye kese asin NDC for de no NDC for nso e de bebo mo. Aside that no Mahama wo no kra wo granted pardon no Mahama no onye lawyer inti obetumi aka say Mahama wasn't part of the judiciary inti no there, but Akufo-Addo yo obi a yenim no say a law and a lawyer and a wire from time immemorial. Now he's supposed to even protect the integrity of the judiciary. It is here because Kennedy Japan enko dem na wo granting a pardon na tre say the law now we here for so many years no. Na tre say we gu nenimtia. That is what it means. So you see the position, just say difficult position no. Difficult position. And a papi worker. We will not the chance to say whichever option it goes for, things may not look good at all for government. The question to be addressed by government is, do we sacrifice Ken or save him? So I say a buying question was say Womobisa no say Kennedy Japan no sabi. Yen sacrifice no and I yen save no. I say I do not want to be in the position of the person with power to do either of the two options. However, now waka aban there afi wo beka court ne nso there. Because Omar Ati say aban there no eye enyama two na two ni na no options ni na enye emma aban was also beka court there no. I say however, should the court decide to impose a fine upon conviction, it takes away from the government the stress of either going for A or B. Naturally say court na eka say okay ye nche Kennedy Japan tum na the ebe say ye man ebo say wonti a na tese aban aye free aban be da court na say say be how ebe da me so no we ye free me so. Now we say but should the court impose a fine which is entitled to do, it may raise questions in the minds of political actors and politicians vis-a-vis the Muntie 3 saga. Mama wati ase say Kennedy Japan asem we eye 3. 1, either say ye the asem be channel. 2, either say ye be man etua sika ana 3 either say ye be china tum ni na no court no embra ema ne kwan iti we hu say lawyer ne say e betumi aba say court ne kra edi sika ebo beto Kennedy Japan so say wontua na court ne yesa eye embra ena ma court ne kwan. It is with or say it is uwidia I say now we say the court decide to impose a fine, it may take or say but should the court impose a fine which is entitled to do what you say just a court name Rama the kwan say what power the be check Kennedy Japan wana say what power wo be ma Kennedy Japan we tia but we say court ma Kennedy Japan so tia Ghana fo bet na tia ka say just mbra no echi ebi mo enchi ebi mo because Muntie 3 fo na de ye hu de mo ye na so say Kennedy Japan wo MPP ana say wo ye MP nti mo a sheda say won ko tia fine. So you see court then so asem we down muti so no. So I say the fact of the two scenarios, Muntie 3 and Ken, may not be the same, but the dent on the judiciary may well be. I say Muntie 3 and Ken Japan for case no enye the same, but ye can the impact and nina have here on the judiciary now the same. Was it the judge hearing the matter just like the government has a very uncomfortable decision to make? As someone lawyer yaw chumesi ankra to jano no montra on comment box the moment I say